Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So I got some more tool deals for you. These are going to be a special buy of the day for Home Depot. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Starting off with Milwaukee. They had this one last week, if I remember correctly. This is the M18 fuel hammer drill with the impact, and you're going to get an 8 amp hour battery with this, but it also comes with two 5 amp hour batteries. So you're getting a total of 3 batteries there. There's a look at the fuel impact, and then like I said, the hammer drill. You're getting a hard case, 3 batteries with this one, coming at a total of $349. And I got the DeWalt 6-tool combo kit, and this one's going to come with the rolling tough system case there, which is really nice. You're getting a couple batteries with that. A lot of useful tools in this kit. You get the impact, you get the drill, circular saw, random orbit sander, multi-tool, angle grinder. So nice pickup here, and then you're also going to get the tough system case, $4.99 for that one. Got the Ryobi Impact wrench kit. This is going to come with a 4 amp hour battery, and this one is not the HP, but this one's going to give you up to 375 foot-pounds of fastening torque, only coming in at $100. Got some rigid tools here, 8-tool combo kit. There's a look at all the tools you're going to get. Compact blower and the light, not the best, but the other tools not too bad. And then you'll get 3 batteries. You get 2 of the 2 amp hours and a 4 amp hour battery, a couple bags, 1 charger, little DIY kit there for $369. Rolling into some Milwaukee tools. So we got some fuel, got the 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw, the jigsaw, and then an 8 amp hour starter kit, $479. Here's the kit that everybody likes. This is the fuel M12 kit, and this is going to come with 3 batteries, the bag and the charger. So with this kit, you get the 2.5 amp hour battery, the 4 amp, and then they're going to throw in the 5 amp. So 3 batteries with this for $199. Nice pickup there, getting the battery, the 5 amp hour battery for free with this one. And this is a nice impact and hammer drill by Milwaukee. Both are fuel. So top of the line there, $200. We got the 5-inch sander with the M18 starter kit, 5 amp hour battery, $169. And then all the way to the right here, you got the Sawzall, M18 Sawzall with the starter kit also. This is going to be the 5 amp hour. Get the dual charger with this one, $154.99. Not a bad pickup there. Here's a one-handed recip saw for M12. Nice pickup here, $219. You get a couple batteries. And then here is the M18 1-gallon backpack vacuum. This thing, $509, pretty expensive. Not really sure this is a good pickup here. Can't imagine you want to spend $500 on a backpack vacuum. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys heard anything about this. Any good things? Is it worth the money? It just seems really expensive for a vacuum cleaner. $509 for that. You do get a couple batteries. And then it looks like over here, you get a free gift, which is usually another battery. So you get 3 batteries with this. 5 amp hour, extended battery. You get the 6, and then another 6. So 2 6s and a 5. For the backpack, you get the dual bay charger there. But still, $509. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of that. All right, next we got the M18 multi-tool with the 5 amp hour starter kit, $159. Not a bad pickup there. And then we got a 6.5 inch circular saw with the starter kit for $154. Here's the M12 Fuel Surge Hex Impact Driver Kit. You're getting 3 batteries with this one. So you get 2 of the 2 amp hour, 1 of the 2.5. You get the charger and the soft case, $199 for that one. All right, so here we got the high output starter kit. This is going to come with the 8 amp hour and the 12 amp hour battery. And this one's coming in at $300. Next to that, we got the M18 Fuel half-inch hammer drill driver kit. And then they're throwing in the high torque impact wrench. 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries, hard case. And then, like I said, you get the high torque impact wrench. And that's going to have up to 1,100 foot-pounds of fastening torque, 1,600 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, coming in at $400. All right, guys, all the way to the right here, we got the Ryobi. This is the HP. This is their high impact wrench kit with the 4 amp hour battery and a charger. 1,170 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So pretty nice impact here. Coming in at $239. And then they got the Ryobi HP 8-tool combo kit. So lots of tools with this one, and they're all HP, which is really nice. $549 for this one. Get the hammer drill, impact driver, 4-mode half-inch impact wrench, multi-tool, angle grinder, recip saw. You get the 7 1/4 inch circular saw. They do throw on an LED light, so you're really only getting 7 tools with this one. And then you're only getting 2 batteries also. And the smaller charger, tool bag, this one's coming in at a price of $549. All right, here's one we've seen before, the Campers kit for $64.97. And then we got the 18-gauge Airstrike Brad Nailer kit, 4 amp hour battery. This is an HP 189. And then they got the 18-gauge and the 16-gauge finish nailers, $249. And that comes with one 2 amp hour battery, I believe. Nope, a 1.5 amp hour battery for this one. And the charger. You're getting 2 nailers, 18 gauge and a 16 gauge. So this one's coming in at $249. Here's the Storm kit. So you get your light inverter. And then you get a Bluetooth radio, $119. You also get 2 amp hour battery with that one. Got the Rigid inflator kit, $99. Real nice inflator. Then we got the Rigid wrench kit with the 4 amp hour battery. Now this one is a 1/2 inch, and this one's only going to put out 500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Still good for breaking some lug nuts loose, something like that. $129. And then all the way to the right here, we got the DeWalt 15 amp 12 inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. And they got the compact miter saw stand, $629. Got the DeWalt 15 gauge nailer kit, $319. And then here's the Makita 6-piece kit. It's nice to see some Makita tool kits. But this one they're throwing in the vacuum, which is not something that I would prefer. They do have the drill driver, the Impact 6.5 inch circular saw, their version of the compact recip saw, also the vacuum and the light. So these two, not the greatest pickup. Then 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries, the charger, and a nice little tool bag. But $400 for this. Got the Ryobi fan, $60. You got the 2-tool combo kit here, which is a random orbit sander and a multi-tool. Tools only for $70. And then we got some more Milwaukee stuff going on. M18 fuel. This is the Gen 2 mid torque. So you get the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch, $319. Ryobi HP 8 1/4 inch compact table saw, tool only, $249. Got the M18 23 gauge and 18 gauge brad nailers. So you're getting M18 and then you're getting the M12. The M12 is going to be the smaller 23 gauge, $449. And then all the way to the right, we got the M18 DA polisher. They had this one last week too, with the 6 amp hour battery, $279. This is the 15 millimeter. We got the M18 fuel one-handed recip. And then you got the bandsaw, $319. Got the multi-tool fuel with the 2.5 amp hour battery, $124. I've seen this as low as $119, clearanced out at my local Home Depot. You got the 3/8 inch ratchet M12 with the 2 amp hour for $209. And then all the way to the right, we got the M18 router. This is the compact router. And then the jigsaw, tools only, $289. And then we got the M18 compact bandsaw with the 1-inch SDS, $319. Got the M12 nibbler, $189. And then we got the 3/8 inch ratchet non-fuel, coming with 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries, $189. And then all the way to the right, we got the Gen 2 1/2 inch hole hog, and then the right angle drill, $399. Some more Milwaukee stuff, M12. 3/8 inch ratchet, and then you got the 1/4 inch die grinder. No batteries with this one, $300. Next we got the M18 fuel 16 gauge nailer, and it looks like they're throwing in the 1/2 inch fuel hammer drill. Once again, tools only for $339. And then we got the 16 gauge finish nailer, 5 amp hour battery, $379. And then the 16 gauge nailer. And this one's going to come with the Forge battery. So the 6 amp Forge, $400 for that one. Got the 3.5 inch 30 degree framing nailer. And then it's thrown in a 2-pack of the 6 amp hour batteries for this one. $519. Got the M18 1-inch SDS. And then they're throwing a 1/2 inch mid-torque. $379. Got the M12 fuel stubby 3/8. And then the 2.5 amp hour battery for $169. So with this one, you get the M18 fuel 1/2 inch impact wrench. And then you get the mid-torque impact wrench. And they're throwing in the 8 amp hour battery and charger for $529. Both of these are fuel tools. And we got some rigid. We got the 15 amp sliding miter saw with the stand, $399. Got some speakers there for Ryobi. A couple nailers here for DeWalt. Got another 16 gauge nailer by DeWalt, $189. 15 amp SDS by Bosch for $1,000. And then they also got the dual bevel miter saw with the stand, $629. Got the track saw for Ryobi, the HP for $229. And then it looks like they got some outdoor power equipment. It says up to 50% off. So they got the Ryobi 16 inch for $219. Tool only. Got some 6 amp hour batteries, $139. Got the M18 6 amp hour 4-pack for $339. And then we got the rigid miter saw stand for $100. Some rigid batteries. Got the hole saw by Milwaukee. Hole dozer. Some recip blades. And then this is the earth auger by Ryobi. Haven't seen this one before. $129. Got the quick lock attachments for $319. 3-pack. Get the pole saw, the edger, and the hedge trimmer. Got some rigid outdoor equipment. Pole saw for Ryobi for $149. Also got the Ryobi HP string trimmer with the 6 amp hour battery, $179. Got the garden hoe. How many people actually use this? I wonder if this is a very useful tool. Got the DeWalt 4-pack. Milwaukee mechanic tool set for $239. Some more tools for DeWalt. And that looks like that's going to be it, guys. So just a quick run through of the tool deals for the special buy of the day. If you guys are looking for a walkthrough of Lowe's or Home Depot, I'll go ahead and post those videos here. Those are the recent deals inside the stores, clearance and sales. Also, I just went to the Autorama in Detroit. If you guys are interested in some cool cars, I also put that video here. Had a really good time there. So if you guys are car guys, make sure you click that video too. See a lot of cool cars for the Autorama 2024. Hopefully you guys found the video useful. If you did, smash the like button. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.